This year, I know that we've been through a lot of starts and stops and changes. And one of the things I want you to take away right now is that behavior tends to unravel when things become unpredictable or inconsistent. And these are the things that make you go, So as you watched people in general in the past 2 years either handle things really well or not well, I want you to think about this. Think about your school, think about the classrooms you work in, think about the kids you work with, and ask yourself, how much of what we do is predictable and consistent? Those are the two words that matter the most when it comes to getting our success in school, having our kids engaged or whatever it is we want them to do. They like consistency, we like predictability. When we don't have it, we tend to unravel. So we don't do well under conditions when things are out of control, when things are uncertain, when we're unsure of what's coming next, when the school changes the rules on us in the middle of something. We don't like the unknown. We don't like things that are unreliable. We depend on things to be there for us, and when they're not, we tend to get squirrely. These are natural things that impact our behavior. We don't like unpredictable, undetermined, unsettled, unreasonable, unresolved, inconsistent, unstable.